Let's get something straight. You think you're hiring someone to sit in a dark room, stare at glowing screens, type furiously like they do in the movies? You're probably looking for a laundry list of certifications, a resume that reads like a software manual. If that's your approach, you're making a huge mistake and it could cost you everything. Most managers focus on technical jargon and miss the person. I'll pull back the curtain on what a great network security engineer really is, not buzzwords, not tech fads. By the end of this video, you'll have clear, compliant steps to assess candidates and insider hiring tips specific to network security. What does this role actually do? They're the silent guardian on your virtual wall. They work day and night to protect your company's secrets, your customers' data, and your reputation. When they succeed, you don't notice. When they fail, you see headlines. A bad hire can turn a small alert into a full crisis. Breaches, fines, customer churn, regulatory fines, and PR fallout can cripple a company. You can't mop that up after the fact. The right hire is like a guard who locks the door, quiet, reliable, and preventative. They don't just manage firewalls, they manage risk and reduce the chances of front-page incidents. Get it right, quiet confidence and uninterrupted business. Get it wrong, loud consequences. Stop chasing shiny badges. Hire someone who will guard the door. Let's talk shop. Separate essentials from extras. Must-have fluency in firewalls. Must-have VPNs. Must-have intrusion detection and prevention systems. Must-have vulnerability assessments and hands-on penetration testing, not just reading reports. Also core, network architecture, LANs, WANs, and how they fit together. They should understand CM tools to see the bigger picture, and be knowledgeable about your industry compliance, HIPAA, PCI DSS, or other standards. Nice to haves. Python or Java for automation, specific platform experience, and certifications like CISP or CEH. But hands-on experience defending networks similar to yours often beats a stack of certificates. Use nice-to-haves only as tiebreakers after the must-haves are met. Technical skill is necessary, but character predicts who succeeds. Look for obsessive problem-solving, relentless curiosity, adaptability, and clear communication. They must pivot quickly as threats evolve and explain complex issues to non-technical teams. A brilliant engineer who can't communicate is like a lighthouse with a broken bulb. Stop asking them to list skills. Use behavioral prompts that force stories. Ask, tell me about the most complex security problem you've ever faced. Walk me through step by step. Give a hypothetical crisis. It's 2 a.m. You're on duty. Your manager is unreachable. What are your next 5 steps? A great answer prioritizes containment first, outlines diagnostics, remediation, and stakeholder communication. Ask them to draft a short, calm email to the CEO. Plain language, no panic. That reveals communication under pressure. Strong, detailed, logical narrative. Weak, vague generalities. Where are the pros hiding? Go where they gather. Top channels. A targeted LinkedIn search plus presence in 1 or 2 niche communities. Engage forums like SANS, RNetSec, local meetups, and niche job boards. Participate, don't just post. Use structured interviews. Same questions, same order, scored rubrics to minimize bias. Combine that with hands-on technical labs or log analysis tests run on standardized platforms. Create composite candidate profiles, skills plus behavior plus test scores, and store them in your ATS. Common traps: over-indexing on pedigree, rushing hires, ignoring team fit. Prevent them with discipline and diverse panels. To evaluate motivation without illegal questions, ask, what about this specific role caught your attention? Describe a work environment where you were most productive. A strong answer names company specifics, relevant tech, and real examples of impact. A weak one is generic and salary-focused. If you're hiring right now and want to get it right, subscribe and visit peopleteam.com/hiring for hands-on help and a 30-day pipeline guarantee. Build a methodical, fair, human-centric process and hire the person who will guard your digital walls.